Hi everybody, I made some teriyaki steaks and I made a homemade teriyaki sauce. It was so good. Let me show you how I made it. So first in a bowl, I'm adding some soy sauce and apple cider vinegar. And this is fresh garlic, ginger, and red chili flakes. I'm going to add those to my bowl. Next, I'm going to add some white sugar and some honey. Now I'm going to add some vegetable oil and some cornstarch. Now I'm going to mix my sauce until everything is combined. I have a glass container. I'm going to add my steak, and then I'm going to add my marinade to my steaks. Make sure everything is coated. I'm going to marinate my steaks for 30 minutes. This is a hot skillet. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and I'm going to start cooking my steaks. Now, this part you have to kind of judge it the way you want. My son loves rare steaks. I don't like it that rare. I like it more of a medium. So you cook it to your desired doneness. Here's my steaks, and I'm going to let them rest for a few minutes before cutting into them. And then I'm going to cut them nice and sliced up. And I'm telling you, my teriyaki sauce is delicious. So right here I have a little sauce pot. I added the extra marinade to my sauce pot, and I'm going to let it come up to a boil. And I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes on a strong boil, because it did touch the raw meat. You don't want to get sick. But it'll be fine if you let it cook for 5 minutes on a strong boil. So I am going to tell you that I wanted my teriyaki sauce to be a little thicker. So what I did is I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I mixed it with 1 tablespoon of water. That's called a slurry, and I added it to this sauce. And it made it a little thicker than I wanted it to. So if I was going to do this again, I would say to add only 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water mixed together. And then you add it to this mixture. I think that would have been a better consistency to my liking. But you can see that I had a beautiful, thick teriyaki sauce. Either way, it comes out delicious. And I garnished it with onion and sesame seeds. And this is a beautiful meal. Thanks for watching.